Hi, I'm here with Steve Dalton in Kiama. Steve, you've had your system installed now for about 6-7 months now?
Yeah, May this year we got it put in, yes.
And tell me a bit about your experience so far.
Well, we really were keen on getting it all done, and was put in. I think we had 20 panels put in. We did a great job, very easily able to be done, and we swapped providers. We're now with a certain provider. I won't name the name, but we're getting a very good deal. And just looking here, this is my phone. I've got my predicted bill on the 15th of January, Caro, is minus $267.
Minus $267, so you're going to be in credit.
And at the moment I'm in credit of $159. Mind you, it's been very nice weather.
It has been nice weather. We're now in summer, the beginning of summer, and that's the best generation. You originally came along to one of our solar and battery storage information sessions, didn't you?
At the pavilion. At
the pavilion in Kiama, and what did you learn about that, and what made you make the decision about the equipment that you've installed as a result?
Well, we're all keen. We're both very keen. Murray and I were very keen to get solar on, but it was just a nightmare to find out what solar to put on. And we searched the net and we found out there was a lot of rubbish around, and we just didn't want to get stuck with a white elephant. So what we did is we got an invite to the pavilion, and you were there, Caro, and explained everything. And you know, obviously the product we bought is one of the top of the line ones. It's not just the one you can get for X amount of dollars that needs to be replaced in 5 years.
So you wanted something for the longer term?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And
what sort of production are you getting out of your system at the moment?
Well, it's 5 kilowatts. We're getting 5 kilowatt hours starting at about 10 o'clock, maybe even 9 o'clock today, right through till about 3 o'clock, and then every now and then it drops down to 4, and we're getting great production, more than enough. More than enough.
Clearly, based on
that's right.
You're obviously producing more than you're consuming, and you're getting paid a really good solar feed-in tariff rate.
Yeah.
That's great. And so what would you say to other people who are considering getting solar? What are the things that they should avoid, and what are the things that they should go for?
Well, I think the main thing you need to go for is quality product. We haven't, it's been in for 6 months, we haven't had any, more than 6 months, we haven't had any problems with it. They assured me that they wouldn't have to come back because it was a top job. So I think the main thing is quality. And we've all seen the TV programs about having solar panels ripped off the roof after about 5 years. So we didn't want that to happen.
You wanted something that was going to last the distance.
Yeah, well, we're going to be around for a lot longer, hopefully. Yeah.
Well, you've gone for top of the range equipment. It was LG panels and inverter wires, Fronius from
Yes,
off the top of my head.
Yes.
So LG and Fronius, you can't beat. They're really top shelf products.
Yeah, well, that's what we wanted.
So it sounds like you're getting a top shelf result.
We are top shelf result. Very good.
Pleased to hear it.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much. Bye.